Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy setup of the TP-Link RE700X Wi-Fi range extender. This powerful extender helps expand your Wi-Fi coverage, especially with Wi-Fi 6 support. Let's dive right in and get your home network running faster and smoother. First, unbox the TP-Link RE700X. Inside, you'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and warranty information. Once you have everything, we're ready to set it up. Start by plugging your TP-Link RE700X into a power outlet located close to your main router. Allow a few moments for the LED indicator to turn solid blue, which confirms that the extender is powered on and ready for the setup process to begin. Next, download the TP-Link Tether app from either the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android. This app will be essential for managing and setting up your TP-Link RE700X extender with ease, providing step-by-step guidance. After successfully installing the TP-Link Tether app on your device, go ahead and open it. If you already have a TP-Link account, simply log in using your existing credentials. However, if you're new to TP-Link, you'll need to create a new account. Don't worry, the process is simple and quick. In the TP-Link Tether app, tap the plus icon to add a new device. From the list, select Range Extender and follow the simple on-screen instructions. The app will automatically begin scanning for your RE700X, ensuring a smooth and quick setup process. Once your RE700X is found, select the Wi-Fi network you want to extend. Enter your router's password to connect. The RE700X will now sync with your router. This may take a minute or two. Once synced, move the extender to an optimal location, ideally halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in and wait for the indicator light to turn solid blue. This confirms you're getting a strong signal from the router. Now, it's time to test the connection. Grab your smartphone or laptop and check the Wi-Fi signal strength in the areas covered by the extender. You should notice a significant boost in coverage and a stronger, more stable connection throughout your space.